Now, today we will discuss vibration of air column in a pipe open at both ends. Vibration of air column in a pipe open at both ends. Consider a pipe open at both ends. In this case, boundary conditions are such that an antinode is formed at each open end. When vibrating tuning fork is placed near an open end of the pipe, any open end of the pipe, it sends the wave inside the pipe. When the waves travel through the other end, there is a partial reflection. At the open end. The partially reflected wave and incident wave interfere with each other. The partial reflected wave interfere with incident wave and longitudinal stationary waves is formed in the pipe. Okay. Consider a pipe of length small l. Antinode is formed both the ends just above the opening. Therefore, the length of air column, that is capital L, is equal to small l plus twice c. Why it is twice c? Because antinode is formed just above the opening, both opening. Therefore, end correction is formed both the ends. Therefore, the length of air column, that is capital L, is equal to small l plus twice c. Okay. There are different modes of vibration of air column open at both ends are shown in figures one by one. First of all, fundamental mode or first mode. In this mode of vibration, आता डायग्राम मध्ये आपण काय पाहू शकतो? In this mode of vibration, antinode is formed at the open end, both open end, and node is formed in between them. In this case, two antinodes are formed at open end and one node is in between. From this diagram, the length of air column, that is the capital L, is equal to distance between two antinodes is according to property of stationary wave is lambda by 2. Distance between two successive antinodes is lambda by 2. Therefore, length of air column, that is capital L, is equal to lambda by 2. Capital L is equal to lambda by 2. Therefore, lambda is equal to twice L. This is the equation number 1. Lambda is equal to twice L, equation number 1. Let n be the frequency of vibration in this mode. Let n be the fundamental frequency of vibration in this mode. We know V is equal to n lambda. Therefore, n is equal to V upon lambda. Where lambda is wavelength in this vibration. Wavelength of vibration in this mode. Therefore, put the value of lambda is equal to twice L in this equation. Therefore, n is equal to V upon twice L. This is the equation number 2. This is the expression for fundamental frequency or first harmonic. What is the value of fundamental frequency? N is equal to V upon twice L. This is the expression for fundamental frequency or first harmonic. This is the least frequency of vibration. in this mode of vibration of air column open at both ends. This is the least frequency of vibration with which the air column can vibrate. This is called as the fundamental frequency or first harmonic. Now we will discuss second mode. Second mode is as shown in figure. In this mode, 3 antinode and 2 nodes are formed. From this diagram, 3 antinode and 2 nodes are formed. From the diagram, the length of your column is capital L. The length of your column is capital L. आणि या डायग्राम मध्ये 3 अँटीनोड तयार झाले आहे. फर्स्ट अँटीनोड टू सेकंड अँटीनोड इज द डिस्टन्स लॅम्बडा बाय 2. Second antinode to third antinode is the distance lambda by 2. But here lambda 1 is the corresponding is the wavelength. If lambda 1 and n1, if lambda 1 and n1 be the wavelength and frequency of vibration in this second mode of vibration. From diagram, the length of air column, that is capital L, is equal to lambda 1 by 2 plus lambda 1 by 2. Lambda 1 by 2 plus lambda 1 by 2. Antinode to antinode distance lambda 1 by 2. This second antinode to third antinode is the lambda 1 by 2. Therefore, capital L is equal to lambda 1 by 2 plus lambda 1 by 2. आणि या दोघांची आपण जर ऍडिशन केली तर काय मिळेल आपल्याला? कॅपिटल L इज इक्वल टू लॅम्बडा 1 or lambda 1 is equal to capital L. This is the equation number 3. Equation number 3. This is the wavelength in this mode of vibration. Now we know V is equal to N1 lambda 1. V is equal to N1 lambda 1. Therefore N1 is equal to V upon lambda 1. N1 is equal to V upon lambda 1. N1 is equal to V upon lambda 1, and the value of lambda 1 is equal to L. Therefore, N1 is equal to V upon L. V upon L. Multiply by 2 by 2. Multiply by 2 by 2. And we get N1 is equal to 2 into V upon twice L. N1 is equal to 2 into V upon twice L. Therefore, V upon twice L means fundamental frequency. Therefore, N1 is equal to 2N. N1 is equal to 2N. This is the equation number 4. This is the frequency of first overtone or second harmonic. This is the frequency of first overtone or second harmonic. Now, the third mode. The third mode as shown in figure. In this mode, 4 antinodes and 3 nodes are formed. In third mode, 4 antinodes and 3 nodes are formed. The distance between antinode to antinode is lambda by 2. आणि इथे आपल्याला 3 डिस्टन्स बघायचे आहे. Antinode to antinode lambda by 2. This antinode second antinode to third antinode lambda by 2. Third to 4 lambda by 2. And therefore, lambda 2, if lambda 2 and n2 be the wavelength and frequencies of vibration in this mode of vibration. From diagram, the length of air column capital L is equal to lambda 2 by 2 plus lambda 2 by 2 plus lambda 2 by 2. 3 times आपल्याला या ठिकाणी ऍडिशन करायला लागेल. आणि यांचे ऍडिशन केल्यानंतर काय मिळेल आपल्याला? L is equal to 3 lambda 2 by 2. L is equal to 3 lambda 2 by 2, and therefore lambda 2 is equal to 2L by 3. This is the equation number 5. Lambda 2 is equal to 2L by 3. Equation number 5. If N2 is the frequency of vibration in this mode, we know N2 is equal to V upon lambda 2. N2 is equal to V upon lambda 2. Put the value of lambda 2 here. Therefore, N2 is equal to V upon 2L by 3. N2 is equal to V upon 2L by 3. Adjusting this, therefore N2 is equal to 3 into V upon twice L. N2 is equal to 3 into V upon twice L, and V upon twice L means fundamental frequency. V upon twice L means fundamental frequency. Therefore, N2 is equal to 3N. N2 is equal to 3N. This is the equation number 6. Equation number 6, and this is the frequency of second overtone. This is the frequency of second overtone or third harmonic. Frequency of second overtone or third harmonic. Thus, all harmonics are present as the overtone. From equation second, 4 and 6. All harmonics are present as the overtones. All harmonics are present as the overtones in the mode of vibration of air column in a pipe open at both ends. Open at both ends. Continuing in this manner, the frequency NP for pth overtone is. Continuing in this manner, the frequency NP for pth overtone is NP is equal to P plus 1 into N. NP is equal to P plus 1 into N, where P is equal to 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. P is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. What is NP? The frequency of pth overtone. Frequency of pth overtone. This is all about the vibration of air columns in a pipe open at